everybody, welcome to this garage. Today, not a project video, but a video of a project I did earlier. So, let's get into it after the new intro. Alright, hope you enjoyed the new intro. See you then. Okay, so, I have been a little busy yesterday. I actually did make a video of working on this thing, which you should see, probably not actually. I was going to show you all a little bit of it, but it's not really anything to show you. But, I built this. Now, I know it's got the bumps on it, the spatter from where I was welding it, and I should have cleaned that up, but I didn't. I know these welds look miserable. That's because they're my stick welds. But down here, I got really pretty ones. As for over here as well. These are prettier welds. But these ones up here, some reason or other, they didn't go too well. And I got the wire welds up here, because this isn't going to be holding a lot of weight. But I built this, and I plasma cutted the holes back here. Now, again, they're not perfect. I'm still not good at the plasma cutter yet. As good as I'd like to be, let's put it that way. With getting things perfectly round and symmetrical. But I am working on it. But this is my new little attachment. It bolts down here and here, and then you got the two big nuts into here. Because see, on this hitch I got rows and rows of holes. Now, I may end up welding on a piece that comes back here and then bolts onto this. I probably won't, but it is something I thought about. Because when you pull on this, it will bend a little bit. Actually, it's not bending right now, but when you got a little bit of load back there. Now, I know a lot of y'all probably figure out what this is, and a lot of y'all probably... Jay, what is this thing? Now, actually, normally these would be black, but I painted mine blue to kind of just do something different, because it looks kind of neat on the back of the tractor. You walk up to it, and you're like, oh, that's a pretty blue. Hold on. The sun is starting to get on this camera's nerves. Actually, this cameraman's. Okay, again, trusting the junky blinds. Okay, close, not open. No, that didn't work. Alright, I'll do it the other way. Alright, that fixed that problem real quick. So, let's get back here to this. So this is what it looks like when the sun's not... Dang-nabbit! Alright, welcome over here. So this is what it looks like when the sun's not bouncing off. Actually, this paint job looks pretty nice. I mean, other than these bumps, it does feel pretty good and smooth. Get a good look at this nice paint job right here. But anyway, you're probably wondering, what's this thing for? And that is a little surprise. Which I'm sure some of y'all probably figured it out. Take this piece here, slide it in, and I can now hook up a trailer to this. Which I'm going to get ready to do actually here in a minute to demonstrate. This job is actually easier with, oh, there we go, two hands instead of one, but I'm filming, so gotta make do with what I got. That's in place, and it does wiggle a little bit, but almost all trailer hitches do have a little bit of play to them. And see, when you push down this, there is a little bit of bending, but that's going to happen. So, I mean, it works where I want it to. As you can see, it's just really nice finish and everything. But I'm getting ready to take this thing up, and we're going to go hook it up to the tractor. Fire up. Yeah! Alright, so... turn the fan on to blow out all the exhaust fumes. Oops, camera's a little dirty. One moment. Alright, so I clean the camera. Tell you what, let me get this up there first, and then I'll talk to you. So that's how I have to keep revving that thing up. Now what we're going to do is I'm going to, let's see. I think that's probably low enough. Let me just lower it a little bit more. And we don't want to go that low. Alright. Let's see. Alright, that'll probably do it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to hook the camera up to the back of the 3-point hitch. And we're going to back up, hook this, and I'm probably going to latch this. I'm not going to worry about the safety chains because I'm not planning on pulling this thing far. Well, I'll probably latch it and then just... Well, it's a log back there holding it, and I can't really move the log because that's holding the trailer from moving. I don't know, maybe we'll do a little tow test with it, because I already towed it yesterday with the Statesman, which looks really pretty in sunlight. But anyway, I already towed yesterday with it. I towed it up the hill to the farm, backed it up by the woodshed and everything. It looks really, really good. So, without further ado, I'm gonna get this thing hooked up and we're gonna use it. Let's see. Probably put the camera right there. Alright everybody, so now I'm going to go ahead and do a little bit of editing. As you can tell, I'm in my room, well my old room, because I moved back upstairs. Long story short, for another day. Anyway, but I finally have my own YouTube studio set up, which is a little bit messy at the moment. But yep, I'm going to go ahead and get everything ready. Sock came down. But I'm going to go ahead and get everything ready, and then I'm going to post this video, and probably make another video later on this week. So, no, maybe not this week. I don't know, probably this week. We'll see what happens. Alright, as always, thanks for watching. Come back and watch more of my videos. And, yeah. Oh, and also, let me know in the comment section below, or leave a couple extra likes on what you think of my new intro setup. So, see you next time on Jay's Hilltop Garage. Thanks for watching. Hope you subscribe, and hope you leave a like. See you next time.